Hey guys, I'm Brian. I'm with Flated. Today we're at the Overland Expo SoCal. Very first time having one of these events in this location. We're best known for our inflatable truck toppers. So a few years back, my buddies and I from the paddleboard industry, we were very familiar with inflatable paddleboards. We thought about what else we could make with it, so we invented the world's first and original inflatable truck topper. Now, 3 years later, we have about 16 different sizes, different versions to fit more trucks. Today, you're looking at a full-size Silverado, 6.5 foot bed, or no, this is a 5.5 foot bed. It's 5.7 actually. And this is our new version. This is our cab high version, so a little bit more of a sleeker look, fits the contours of the vehicle more. Actually, it's helping gas mileage on a lot of vehicles compared to an open bed truck. But really the whole idea is being able to quickly inflate. It comes from a bag that looks like this, so about 40 pounds, and then you inflate it, and then it creates the topper. You can easily install it by yourself, and there's no tools required. So it's basically cam strapped into the tie down points on the truck. So you don't have to have any full-time mounted rails or anything on the vehicle the whole time. And then inside here, this is our air deck. So this is a system where we can create a raised platform that's sitting on the inflatable legs. People always ask us how much weight that this can hold, and we've pulled four-wheelers up on it and different things. So over 900 pounds has been on that, no problem. And same thing with the topper. We have 4 D-rings on the top, on the roof, so you can actually tie down paddleboards, kayaks, or other things like that. And then the other thing people ask is, what is inside of this? So drop stitch inflatable, all these fibers connect the top sheet and the bottom sheet, and the top sheet and bottom sheet is a PVC, similar to what you'd see in an inflatable paddleboard, inflatable kayaks, different things like that. It's been used for a long time. We just did it in a different way and making something different. As well, we made some booth furniture a couple of years ago just for our own purposes, and that's actually available on our site now. Very popular for seasonal dock furniture, patio furniture, boats, camping, RVs. And then if we come over a little bit further, we got a demonstration of our air carrier. That's our third primary product. And that is an inflatable rooftop cargo box that will simply attach to your crossbars. You can load it up with as much gear as little. This one's actually not attached at the moment because we're just still setting up, but basically these built-in straps, we would wrap around the crossbars and then cinch it down tight and you're good to go at highway speeds. The original version of our topper was our mid-rise. So you can see that one's a little bit taller, creating a little bit more headroom for sleeping, camping, anything like that. And that one also we have in all of our different sizes. This one's our mid-size short, so a 5 foot bed on a Colorado, but that's universal to a 5 foot Tacoma and a bunch of the other mid-size trucks as well. The new Ranger, Raptor, and some of those we also have new sizes for. And if you want any further information, you can find our website is flated.com. We also have all the social channels and more in-depth, long-form content on our Flated YouTube page.